Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss how to print the following pattern in Python. Let's see with practical example here. So just select it and delete it. I'm going to declare a variable and assign the one value. Now write here the for I in range and range function take the two argument, one and upper limit as a 5, and now this loop is will be executed 4 times because it always executed less than 1 to the upper limit. And within this loop I am going to write another loop for g in range and assign the lower limit as a 1 and upper limit as a I plus 1, which means the upper limit depends on the value of I. Now within this loop I am going to print the value of m and write here and equals to double quote. This code simply add the value into the same line and m equals to m plus 1, which means this simply add the one value to the m variable and again assign it to the m variable. Now come outside of the inner loop and call the print function to change the line in the output. Now I am going to explain from the starting. First of all, the control come here and assign the lower limit into the I variable. So the value of I is now 1. Control come here and simply assign the lower limit to the inner loop as a 1 and upper limit is 1 plus 1 2, which means this loop will be executed one time. At the first time the loop is executed and print the value of m as a 1. Now control come here and simply add the 1 value with the m. So 1 plus 1 2 value assigned into the m variable. So the value of m is 2 and the loop is terminated. Now control come to the outer loop and simply change the line here. Control come to the outer loop and simply increment the value of lower limit as a 1. After increment 2 value assigned into the I variable. Now the value of I is 2. So control come here and come to the inner loop and assign again the lower limit is a 1 and the upper limit is 2 plus 1 3, which means this loop will be executed 2 times. At the first time the value of m is printed here, so the last value of the m is 2. So print the 2 value here. Now control come here and simply add the 1 value with the m variable. So 2 plus 1 3 value assigned into the m variable, and at the second time to print the value of m as a 3 here, and after that control come here and simply add the 1 value with the m variable. So 3 plus 1 4 value assigned into the m variable. Now the value of m is 4 and the loop is terminated because the loop is executed only 2 times. Now control come to the outside of the inner loop and simply change the line. Control come to the outer loop and simply increment the value of lower limit as a 1. After increment the value of the lower limit is 3 value assigned into the I variable. Now the value of I is 3. Control come to the inner loop and simply assign the 1 value to the lower limit to this loop and the upper limit is 3 plus 1 4, which means this loop will be executed 3 times. So at the first time print the value of m, which is 4, and increment or add the 1 value to the m variable. Now the value of m is 5. So at the second time print the value as a 5. Now control come and simply add the 1 value, 5 plus 1 6 value assigned into the m variable. At the third time print the value of m as a 6. Now third time control come here and simply add the 1 value to the m variable. Now the value of m is 7, and after assigning this the loop is terminated because this loop is executed only 3 times. Control come to the outer loop and outside of the inner loop and change the line here. Now control come to the outer loop and increment the value of I as a 1. After increment the value of lower limit is 4. So 4 value assigned into the I variable. Now the value of I is 4. Control come to the inner loop and assign the lower limit as a 1 and the upper limit is 4 plus 1 5, which means this loop will be executed 4 times. And first time print the value of m, which is 7 here. Now provide the space here. Now control come here and simply add the 1 value to the m variable. So 7 plus 1 8 value assigned into the m variable. So the second time print the value of m as a 8. Now control again come here and simply add the one value to the m variable again and assign to the m variable. So 8 plus 1, 9 value assigned into the m variable. At the third time the value of m is printed as a 9 here. Control come here and simply add the one value to the m variable. So 9 plus 1, 10 value assigned into the m variable, and the fourth time the value of m is printed here as a 10. And now control come here and simply add the one value m plus 1, which means the 10 plus 1, 11 value assigned into the m variable, but loop is terminated. So the control come outside of the inner loop and simply change the line here. Control come here and also terminate, because the condition is false here, the loop is terminated, outer loop. Now I'm going to delete this output and save this program and run this program. Now the output will look like this. Thank you friends, please like and comment my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.